Hi, my name is Daphne McLean. I'm your instructor for Introduction to Discrete Mathematics. I wanted to show you the short video of how to get around this class. Alright, so let's start. Home is where I actually put the announcements. That's what this page is right here. And then announcements right here is actually what I post on home, so you need not go over there. Okay, let's go to modules, but before we do, all this stuff I've written here, I'm going to toggle down. I spent a lot of time writing this so that you wouldn't get lost. So read these and follow these directions, and things will go smoothly. Okay, so here we're going to go straight to modules. And we have 8 different modules because we have 8 different weeks. All right, instructor resources, that's not for you, so I'm going to pass that up. What I want you to see that's most important to tell you about is right here, assignment summary. I go ahead and I print this out for myself and I check on it daily, and I recommend you do the same. It's always recommended that you work ahead and not behind because we don't accept late homework. So here we go, Module 1, it tells you exactly what you need to do and when they're due and what the points that they are for all of our modules. Now during the first week I'm a little lenient because some people don't start to Tuesday and they get a little behind. But after that I'll allow one freebie because life does happen. Other than that, life doesn't happen all the time, right? So it's important that you get things done on time. Alright, so print that out for yourself. Let's go back over here, back to modules. And in here you will see there is a place where it has my information. Here it says faculty information. And you will see my name and my phone number and my degrees. And I believe my picture will pop up. Yeah, there, that's what I look like. Okay, so the thing I want you to show here is Pacific time. I live in Southern California. And if you want to call me at 9 in the morning, that's not going to work because that's 6 a.m. in the morning over here. So right down here, oh, you can't see that. Let me go and toggle up a little bit more. It's not moving. That's as far as it's going to be. Please call me between 9 a.m. or between 9 p.m. Pacific time if you need to get a hold of me. All right, there's my email address. There's my phone number. Okay, let's go back to modules, and we will look and see for our first week. And then I'm going to cut back to something else, and then we're done with this brief announcement. Okay, so start here, Module 1. Here we have the homework, the engagement, how to get started. Again, go ahead and read what I wrote at the front, and it'll tell you all about what to do here and what order to go in. Okay, engagement is worth 20 points. I want to make sure that you read this. Now, what is engagement? It's basically discussions, and it's 3 points per discussion. And on the grading, it'll show it as 0 point, but until I actually grade your discussions, then you won't see any points, but it's worth 20 points. And we have 8 modules. 20 times 8 is 160, so that's a lot of points. You don't want to skip on that. Okay, so again, this is Module 1. Notice you have a lot of homework this first time around. And then Module 1, worked out homework, I'm going to have specific directions for those. So when you get started to write up the homework, go ahead and look at that. And that'll be on a Word document. That's our typed up homework. The rest of this homework right here will be on our program right here, our My Math Lab program that you'll be doing online. And that is hooked up to this class. You can't get into it another way. Okay, so let's go back up. Let's see what else do we have. All right, discussions. You'll enter discussions daily. And for the first discussion, you will see it says, welcome to Module 1, which I have another short video to watch, and introduce yourself. So the first day of class, go ahead and click on this and introduce yourself. Ask Daphne Forum is for any questions that you have that do not pertain to math. Okay. All right. Then over here we have My Labs and Mastering. Once you sign up for that, which again you'll see in Home, then you can go over here and click on this and get onto the online program. My computer's a little slow, but it should be coming up in a second here. Alright, here we goes. Alright, so you would click on there and go from there. Okay, so what I'd like you to do, we're going to go back to home. Now that we're done with this video, I'd like you to go back to home and read in detail everything that I wrote and follow the directions. Alright, excited to meet you.